All right, we're gonna see what speed can break through this thin piece of cardboard, shall we? All right, so first up, we're testing the AirTech 1000, the very first blaster I ever owned, firing a suction cup dart. All right, let's see how hard this guy's hitting. Bruh. All right, it is hitting 19 feet per second, FPS. Let's see what it does against the cardboard. All right, 19 feet per second against cardboard. Here we go. Not even a scratch. First Nerf gun, but man, is it bad.